Alright, welcome back to the YouTube channel. What we're going to do now, we're going to tap the strut tower bar. Halloween, it's close to Halloween, but we're going to tap right here because on the 2020 these are not tapped, and everybody's like, oh, just run a bolt down through there to put your brace on. Nah, bruh, I'm not doing that. So what I'm going to do, I'm just tap it. It's M10 by 1.25. You just go ahead and tap that, and then you tap that side. On the 21 and up, these are tapped from the factory. Up here is tapped from the factory on the 2020, but not right here. But they just run nut and bolt. I ain't trying to do that. So what you do, go to Harbor Freight, get one of these taps, and just tap it, and then you're good. It's not even going to be a long video. I'm just get straight to the point. Huh? I guess you're supposed to use some type of a little bit of oil or something. Guess I should get some oil, right? Just put a little bit of oil on there, some royal purple that I had. Put a little bit of oil there. Tap that all the way through. I'm just going to show you guys one side. I ain't going to show y'all both. Obviously, you go down, back it out a bit, go back down. And just like that, that shit is tapped. If you look down in there, I don't know if you could see it, but it's tapped. I'm gonna go get a bolt. So we cover up all of this, you know what I'm saying? Bro, get out my face, bro. You weird, bro. Alright, so once again, this is how to put your brace, your Cusco brace on your 2020 Toyota Supra that don't have these holes right here. And it's dirty. Wipe that. When you don't have these holes tapped, you just go ahead and tap it instead of putting nuts and bolts. It's easier to just tap it, honestly, because you want to go underneath the car and do all that extra stuff. I don't want to do that. Just do this right here. Watch, 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 watch me. And these are just M10 by 1.25. Boom, right there. Boom, right there, and that's it. Just put these on, tighten them down. This side on. Alright, don't look at me like that, bro. That's good.
What are you talking about?
That's the damn. As simple as that. So, once again, how to install this brace. You need a M10 1.25 tap. And then you're going to tap the two strut towers right here. One there, one there. And then you could use the whatever bolts come with it for right there. I'm going to go ahead and order some of these clean Allen head bolts for up there so it matches. But for right now, I just went ahead and installed it with these pan head bolts. Well, not pan head, they're just lock washers and whatever. But yeah, this is my engine bay. I'll make sure this is not coming off. Last time this was coming off. But I cut that, obviously. Your boy's still on the stock turbo. Out here doing damage on that. But that's beside the point. Quick video, how to do that.
I got 100 on the gas, 20 more in the tank. My legend status been solidified. Drop topping back when niggas couldn't get a ride. We not the same and they mad that I'm well aware. Basking it, I'm the shit, niggas smell the air. I'm globe trotting my check.